everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a wonderful day. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you all of the various stationery hauls that I've been accumulating in the month of February. So the first package I have is from one of my favorites, Hubman and Chubgirl. In January, they announced the release of their Vault collection, which is a bunch of collections that they have made based off of popular themes, but you know, with issues like copywriting and stuff, they can't exactly have unlimited quantities of them. So their solution has been to make these releases limited for a limited amount of time, and they said that this was the last time this vault would be open. So obviously I wanted to get a lot of their stickers. A lot of my hauls I feel like are quite boring because I just mostly try to buy things that I need, and what I really need are just like sticker kits. So in my hauls there's a lot of that repetition, and I hope that's okay with you. So to go with my order, they were running a freebie set that was Harry Potter themed. So in the freebie set they have their binder, they have a pin. You can get one of 4 houses. I got Ravenclaw, which is not my house, but that's okay. And then you have a random packet of sticky notes. Now onto the order itself. This is called Catch 'em All, and this is Evolution, and these are the 2 washi tapes that came with their Pokemonsters collection, which, you know, you'd obviously know it is Pokemon, but I think they did it for copyright reasons. This one just shows all of the different Eevees. I think my favorite Eevee has always been Espeon, but I also really like Sylveon. And then this one just shows a lot of different Pokemon scattered throughout. I thought that was really cute. So they do call it Pokemon, but I thought they spelled it out Pokemonsters. Also from the Pokemonsters collection, I got the Hobonichi kit, obviously. And as you know, their Hobonichi kit is made of 3 different sheets. So these are the 3 different sheets. Favorite one is probably the Jessie and James. Next up, I got the Harry Potter house vinyls. Inside there are 5 die cut stickers. I don't normally get these, but I'm a really big fan of Harry Potter, and I just thought the way she drew the animals was really cute. Before I move on to the rest of the Hobonichi kits, because I mostly just bought Hobonichi kits, but then I also picked up this variety sticker pack for Totoro, and on the back it shows you exactly what you get. I think my favorite is going to be the washi strip. So all of the Hobonichi kits are stored in this little file folder. It has a capybara on it. I think I got a kit from basically every theme that was in the vault except for I think Star Wars and Frozen. So this one is from Snoopy. They just called it Peanuts Doggy. And then from the Peanuts Doggy, I also got their monthly kit. And this is different from the weekly kit because it's only 2 sheets and includes the numbers. Next up, I got one from the Toy Story. Toy Story is one of my favorite Pixar movies. And she had some things from Sailor Moon. I really like these cat banners. I have a kit from Super Mario. This is the kit for My Neighbor Totoro, just called My Neighbor. One of my favorite themes was the Winnie and Pooh friends, and I really wanted to get the washi tape for this one, but certain items sold out really quickly, so I wasn't able to get that. I guess for Disney they only had the monthly kit, so that's what I picked up, and I really like the colors, and I'm planning on going to Disney this year, so this is perfect for that. Last but not least, I have the weekly kit for Harry Potter, and I wish I had this when I was in London, but this took a while to ship to me. So that is everything I got from the Hubman and Chubgirl Vault collection. Let me know which collection from the Vault was your favorite. Next up is an order I placed with someone on Facebook Marketplace because they were selling a bunch of different stickers. So she was just doing, on Facebook there's a lot of tea stashes where people will just sell like a lot of their stickers. So this is all from a lot of different brands, and I like buying from those because it's discounted from the retail price. So I think I mentioned previously that one of my favorite type of stickers are transfer stickers. So how transfer stickers work is you cut out the portion with the sticker that you want, and then you put it onto the surface, and then you use something to rub the back, and the heat makes the pattern transfer onto the paper. I really like these stickers because they blend right into the page. Like they look like they're printed right on the page. So she was selling several lots of them, so I got like so many different sheets, and they're all botanical designs. So I usually buy these transfer stickers from Jet Pens from a company. The company is called MU, I think, the MU series, and they usually come in a pack with two sheets like this. And each pack is usually around $5 or $6. The seller on Facebook was selling it for like $1 a sheet, so I didn't want to pass it up. And I think these are great for planners that you don't really want to bulk up. Like some people do really like to bulk up their Hobonichis, but I personally am trying to avoid that, even though I'm using like monthly stickers in it. Next up, I have some stickers from Sterling Ink. I think these are all from various subs. This is just a pack of like 15 die cuts, and then I have these sheets, which I definitely recognize from. These sheets are definitely from the monthly sub. I feel like I bought over 100 sheets of stickers in this order. I'm going to try my best to show each sticker. I really like the style that they have for Sterling Ink. Most of this seems to be on their premium matte sticker paper, which I'm not a huge fan of, but I do love the designs a lot. So I decided to get those because these are more expensive on the Sterling Ink website. And I have a bunch of sticker sheets from a company called Fading Chronicle. I never heard of this brand before, but I think they make like journaling stickers, and I also really love their art. So first, I'm going to show you these larger sticker sheets. Just like the Sterling Ink, they appear to have two different options. They have this washi paper option, and they also have this more vinyl option. And I think they also do monthly kits, so this is probably just extras from that. As you can see, it's just a bunch of really vintage looking florals. And then I guess these are some of their mini kits. This one has the days of the week, as well as the weekly, as well as the monthly numbers. And then this has some decorative washi strips. So I wonder if, it says on the bottom it's just a mini kit, but I wonder if this can be used for the Hobonichi or if it's meant to be used for the bullet journal. I think this is a more complete kit, and there's 5 sheets, and they all say the stationery kit at the bottom. So you have a bunch of deco. When you buy items on a Facebook marketplace, when you buy items that are on sale or secondhand, they usually tell you whether or not it is a full sticker sheet or whether or not there's going to be missing parts. But because the ones that are missing seem to be pretty small, I'm okay with it. They have 3 sheets of deco, and then they have the washi strips and the days of the week. Then I have 4 sheets that are all just deco from the December subscription mini kit. I guess these are the washi strips. I'm just missing the days of the week. The last mini kit I got is the June mini kit, and then these are just miscellaneous deco. So overall, I would say very successful haul from Facebook. Hi everybody, a new day, a new package. This order is from Paperechos, and I mainly placed this order because they were running an event for Lunar New Year, and with every order you get one of these I don't know if you can see it, red envelopes, and there are a variety of prizes that can be won. Most of them will be vinyls, but some of it will be shop credit, so I just thought that was a really fun way to celebrate the Lunar New Year. I also want to say in this video that the owner of Paperechos is really good at customer service. Before my order was fulfilled, I realized that there was a freebie that you can get from joining the Facebook group, so I just emailed her customer service email and she was able to add that on for me. I would also say I always recommend, if you have a brand or specifically a sticker shop that you're really interested in, check on Facebook to see if they have a group, because they're most likely going to be giving you sneak peeks, and you can interact with the community of people who also love the same stickers that you do. And sometimes they will have a freebie code because they are quite active on Facebook too. On top of giving out these red envelopes, the store was also having 15% off. First, I'm going to show you all the freebies that I got. First is this vinyl for April, and for the rest of the freebies, they were cherry themed. This is the one you get from Facebook, the washi strips, and then you always have a little sampler, and then she also gave these 2 die cuts. Actually, I think these were tiered freebies. If you spent over $60, I think, for every $20 you get a freebie. So this freebie comes with every order. It's just a sampler. This with the washi strips comes if you're part of the Facebook group, and I think you get this vinyl if you spend $20, and then you get additional vinyls if you spend $40 and $60. Now getting on to the exciting bit, I'm going to open up the red envelope. Inside I have a vinyl. I thought it was a vinyl, but I actually got shop credit for $25. So glad I got the shop credit, but I also love her vinyls, so I was prepared to get that, but I'm very excited that I got shop credit. Every order also comes with a journaling card, and on the back she always writes a message. I think she handwrites your name. You know the drill. I got Hobonichi cousin kits. So Michelle, who's the owner of Paperechos, her kits come in 3 sheets, one with the full boxes, one with trackers, and then these are half boxes. So I just got every kit that was available in her shop. I think she's doing some sort of reformat soon, so I think a lot of them were on sale. Okay, I have my invoice, so I can tell you what I got. So that one was Love Story. This is the Lunar New Year kit. This is the Christmas kit. This is the Halloween kit. This is vintage stationery theme. Next up we have a fountain pen kit. This one is Snack Time. So cute that the bunny is next to one of the, these are called rice candies, I think. And they usually have a bunny on it, and she's just posing next to a bunny next to herself on the rice paper candy. This is the Cherry Blossom kit. I really love all the colors. This is the Autumn and / Fall kit, and I think this is the old format. It used to include a lot more things, or I guess she just has bigger kits. So this kit has 6 stickers. You have 2 pages of full boxes, quarter boxes, and half boxes. You have headers and deco stickers. And she also has 2 page kits. I guess these would be mini kits, a bee foiled Hobonichi cousin. This is the summertime kit. Lastly, we have the Sailor Moon kit, which is 2 pages. I just love all of Michelle's designs, and I am so happy that I got more store credit so I can buy more stickers. Hi everybody! So the last package I have is from a new company called Ferncreek Stickers. Unfortunately, I got everything from a closing sale, so these stickers won't be around for long, so I'm going to link it down below. Link it down below if you want to still shop the rest of the sale. I think she still has a lot of inventory, but the store is closing. I'm going to start with the freebies. I think she gave a lot of freebies because the store is closing. I have like multiple sticker sheets. I have 8 functional sticker sheets, and they're just like quarter boxes and stuff, but I think it's for maybe a different type of planner than what I have, like a traditional vertical planner, because they seem a little wide. And then I got 2 sheets of these other functional stickers that just show activities. Getting into the kits, what was really interesting about this shop was that they sold a bunch of different kits. They sold kits for the daily pages, weekly kits, as well as monthly kits. But because it was a closing sale, a lot of stuff was already sold out, so I couldn't get full sets of everything. So the kits come in 1 page, and they have add-ons. So this is the essentials. You can't read that, but this is the essential sticker sheet, and then they also have full boxes. So this is a Christmas themed kit, and I got the full boxes and the essential sheet. So the essential sheet has the days of the week cover, the washi strips at the bottom, stuff for marking out time, and then interestingly they also have a sticker for every day of the month, so they can cover up the calendar on the upper left side of the weeks. It's very interesting. And I got this Halloween kit. I also got the full boxes. Whatever kit I liked that I could find the essential page for, I got, and then if I really liked it, I also went to get the full boxes that was also available. This is an Easter kit, and I got the full boxes. Then everything else is just the essentials. So we have this botanical one. This is like fall, but it's interesting because she put a lot of blues in it. These 2 are more traditionally fall. This is a winter kit. This is a pumpkin spice kit. I got a lot of fall kits. These 3 are fall kits. For the daily kits, there are a couple of stickers you can get too, but the ones I was really interested in for the dailies were the washi strips. So I got these floral washi strips. Oh, everything I have is, most of the stuff has floral. I really like this one, and then I have a strawberry one. I think these are supposed to go at the bottom of the daily pages, but I just think because they're washi strips, it is very versatile and you can use it for a lot of different things, and I really like her designs. So that is my whole haul for February. I hope you enjoyed the video. As usual, I know I got a lot of stickers, but this is my first time really getting into sticker planning, so I really want to try out as many kits as I want. I want to try out as many kits as I can so I can figure out what I like and what I don't like for next year, and to see if, yeah, I just like trying out new stickers, and I just love buying stationery. So if you like this video, please consider giving it a like and subscribing to my channel, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye!